Over the last few months, ReAgent's marketing team has been improving the look and feel of our offices, from our canteens and workspaces to breakout rooms and bathrooms. The aim of doing this has been to create a comfortable work environment for our team, inject a little personality into our shared spaces, and build a sense of community. Our marketing team has designed and overseen the installation of our extensive wall art upgrades. From taking measurements, organising photo shoots, and researching chemical structures, to designing new graphics and sourcing local suppliers. The team has overseen the installation of ReAgent logos and light boxes, painting walls in blue brand colour, upgrading our reception area, updating our accreditation displays, adding a large periodic table to our QC lab, vinyl wrapping doors, and upgrading flooring and furniture.